Have you ever considered the intersection of cutting-edge businesses with once controversial areas of therapy? In recent years, we've seen a significant increase in interest in unconventional methods of therapy. This shift is not just a cultural phenomenon, but also an economic and business one. For a long time, some of these methods were marginalized due to controversy and taboo. However, they're now being perceived in a new light, a potential source of positive transformation. This shift in perception is mainly due to scientific research uncovering that these unconventional means, when utilized responsibly, can lead to profound therapeutic effects. They've shown promise in addressing a multitude of mental health challenges, from depression and anxiety to PTSD and even addiction. But their potential extends beyond mental health. There's a growing recognition of their ability to foster creativity, enhance mindfulness, and promote overall wellness. As such, they're increasingly being recognized as game changers in fields as diverse as psychology, neuroscience, and even tech. This burgeoning interest is creating vast opportunities for businesses and investors. Startups are mushrooming, pioneering new ways to harness the potential of these unconventional means, while established companies are exploring how they can incorporate them into their existing offerings. This is not just about capitalizing on a trend, it's about being part of a movement that could redefine our understanding of the mind and our approach to mental health and well-being. Investors are also taking note, seeing not just the potential for substantial returns, but also the chance to be part of something genuinely transformative. This space is attracting a diverse array of investors, from venture capitalists and angel investors to philanthropists and investors. As we delve into this intriguing landscape, we'll uncover some trailblazing startups that are making an impact. These are the businesses pushing boundaries, capitalizing on this renaissance to create innovative solutions that could shape the future of our society. Let's explore Mindmed, a pioneering startup that's paving the way in a revolutionary field. Far from ordinary, Mindmed is a trailblazer. It's utilizing innovative solutions in a bid to bring about a new era in mental health treatments. Mindmed's mission revolves around the amelioration of the suffering caused by mental health disorders. Its approach has garnered significant fundraising success, a testament to its unique methods and the trust it has been able to establish with investors. Mindmed has successfully raised tens of millions of dollars in funding, a clear indicator of the growing interest in their work and the potential they hold. The company's approach involves treating mental health disorders with novel methods that have traditionally been overlooked. However, Mindmed is reshaping the narrative, leveraging the therapeutic potential of innovative solutions to address conditions such as anxiety, depression, and addiction. Mindmed's approach to mental health is truly refreshing and necessary. With nearly 1 billion people worldwide suffering from mental health disorders, according to the World Health Organization, many are in desperate need of alternative solutions. Mindmed is stepping up to fill this void, offering hope with its therapies. Mindmed's success is not by chance. The company has a team of experts dedicated to rigorous scientific research, ensuring that their treatments are both safe and effective. Their deep understanding of the science behind their solutions and a commitment to making a positive impact on mental health guide them. The startup's ability to attract substantial investments reflects the growing confidence in their potential and their pioneering work. The success in fundraising is a clear indication that there's a growing appetite for innovation in mental health treatments. Mindmed's approach is not just about the money, it's about making a real difference in people's lives. Their innovative treatments have the potential to transform lives, and that's what truly sets Mindmed apart. In conclusion, Mindmed's success lies in its innovative approach, its commitment to scientific research, and its ability to attract substantial investments. The startup's work is a shining example of how businesses can revolutionize mental health treatments. Success serves as an inspiring model for other startups. An outstanding participant in the sector is Compass Pathways, a company that's pushing the envelope in the treatment of depression. Born from a vision to mitigate the pain of those living with mental health challenges, this innovator is fostering interest among investors and the medical community alike. Compass Pathways has gained recognition for its pioneering work in mental health therapy, offering a novel approach for those grappling with treatment-resistant depression. This is a condition wherein typical treatments have failed, leaving patients in a perpetual cycle of gloom. It's in this space that Compass Pathways has found its footing, offering a glimmer of optimism where it's needed most. Their groundbreaking method involves a single dose of therapeutically administered compound within a supportive environment. This isn't about a recreational experience, it's about a journey to healing. Patients describe experiencing significant shifts in perception, empowering them to break free from the incapacitating cycle of depression. Importantly, scientific research backs this. Compass Pathways has run extensive clinical trials, displaying encouraging results. Patients have reported noticeable reductions in depressive symptoms, with effects enduring up to 6 months after a single dose. These findings have positioned Compass Pathways at the forefront of mental health treatment. They continued to break ground in September of 2020, when Compass Pathways marked a milestone with its successful initial public offering on the Nasdaq, making it the first company in its sector to do so. This financial accomplishment has allowed Compass Pathways to expand its operations, further its innovative research, and bring us one stride closer to a world where mental health treatment is not just effective, but transformative. What distinguishes Compass Pathways is its dedication to innovation, its rigorous scientific methodology, and its unwavering conviction in the potential of therapeutic approaches. They're not just creating a business, they're forging a movement. They're not just raising funds, they're raising awareness for a brighter future for mental health care. The success of Pathways acts as a guiding light to other startups in the sector, demonstrating that with a clear vision, unwavering determination, and a commitment to science and healing, profitability and societal impact can align. This isn't just about disrupting an industry, it's about enhancing lives, dismantling barriers, and altering the dialogue around mental health treatment. Compass Pathways' history is a testament to the potential profitability and societal impact of innovative startups. It envisions a future where businesses can prosper while making a significant positive impact on society, and where mental health treatment isn't a last resort, but a journey towards healing and transformation. So, what does the rise of these startups mean for investors? Dive the world of business, and you'll find an ocean of opportunities. And right now, the psychedelic space is quickly becoming a deep sea of untapped potential. The increasing acceptance and decriminalization of psychedelics in certain regions are not only changing the way we view mental health treatments, but it's also reshaping the business landscape. Just a few years ago, the very idea of investing in a legal business centered around psychedelics might have been dismissed as too risky or even ludicrous. But fast forward to today, we're seeing a seismic shift in perspective. The numbers speak for themselves. The global market for psychedelics within the realm of legality is expected to grow exponentially, reaching into the billions over the next decade. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. A revolution that's catching the eye of law-abiding investors who are always on the lookout for the next big thing. And why wouldn't it? High risk often equates to high returns, and the psychedelic space is no exception. But it's not just about the money, it's about being part of something bigger. Investing in the psychedelic space means supporting groundbreaking research and innovative treatments that could potentially transform millions of lives. It means backing startups that are pushing the envelope, breaking barriers, and challenging the status quo, all within the bounds of legality. The best part? This is just the beginning. The psychedelic space is still in its infancy, and that means there's plenty of room for growth and innovation. The potential for new business models, new technologies, and new treatments is immense. So, for those with an appetite for risk and a vision for the future, the psychedelic space offers a unique opportunity. An opportunity to not only reap substantial financial rewards, but also to contribute to a cause that could redefine our approach to mental health, all while staying on the right side of the law. The psychedelic space is emerging as an exciting, lucrative frontier for investors. So are you ready to dive in and ride the wave of this psychedelic revolution? What does the future hold for startups in the industry? As we find ourselves on the brink of a renaissance in this field, the future appears to be filled with endless potential. The psychedelic industry is clearly ready for significant expansion, and startups are leading this revolution. But what exactly does the future hold for these trailblazers? One exciting prediction is a surge in innovation. With startups venturing into this largely unexplored market, the coming years promise to bring a wave of unique ideas and solutions. From developing new therapeutic strategies and delivery methods to integrating technology into treatment, the opportunities are limitless. With the stigma surrounding this industry gradually fading, we also expect a rise in investor interest. The industry's market value is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, drawing a diverse range of investors, from venture capitalists to pharmaceutical giants. This influx of investment will fuel growth and development, enabling startups to conduct more in-depth research and develop better services, ultimately reaching out to more people. Moreover, we can look forward to societal acceptance. As more information comes to light about the therapeutic benefits of this industry and its potential to address a wide array of mental health issues, the stigma is gradually eroding. This shift in perception will open doors for startups, allowing them to operate more freely and reach a broader audience. Of course, this journey will not be without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles, scientific complexities, and societal misconceptions will continue to present obstacles. However, the potential rewards, both in financial terms and the chance to make a true difference in people's lives, are too significant to ignore. So, what does the future look like for startups in the psychedelic industry? It's a future brimming with possibilities, opportunities, and the potential to shape mental health treatment for generations to come. In this brave new world, startups are not just businesses but pioneers, ushering us into a future where mental health is treated with understanding, compassion, and innovative therapies that truly work. As we continue to break down barriers and explore this industry's potential, the future looks bright for psychedelic industry startups. As we've seen, the psychedelic space has gained considerable attention from innovative startups investors. This journey through the psychedelic landscape has taken us from the rebirth of psychedelic interest to the innovative strategies of Mindmed and Compass pathways. We've also examined the changing investment landscape and the growing interest in the field. Let's briefly revisit these key points. We began with the psychedelic renaissance, a wave of renewed interest in the potential uses of psychedelics. This resurgence is sparking both investment and innovation, contributing to a new wave of startups exploring potential applications. Then we delved into the case studies of Mindmed and Compass pathways. These companies have taken bold steps in the psychedelic field. Their innovative approaches, from developing unique methodologies to navigating complex regulatory landscapes, offer valuable insights for those interested in the sector. We also examined the investment landscape. We're witnessing a notable influx of capital into this emerging market. This shift has created a climate where startups can secure necessary funding and scale their operations. Finally, we looked at the potential future of companies entering this field. The potential for growth and innovation is significant. As our understanding of these substances deepens and societal acceptance increases, we're likely to see an increase in startups in this area. This development presents a wide range of opportunities, not just for entrepreneurs and investors, but also for those looking for potential alternative treatments. The psychedelic space is more than just a market. It's an area of intense study and exploration. It challenges us to think differently, to question the status quo, and to explore solutions that could potentially transform treatment methods. In a period of renewed interest, the possibilities are as diverse as the human mind itself.